Welcome at Maths Form 4. Quadratic function, lesson 5. We do our first question. Step 1. Collect what is given without using method of differentiation. Differentiation is form 5, or drawing the graph. Find the maximum or minimum value. So they're asking maximum or minimum value. That's the first thing they're asking. So we collect. They are asking maximum or minimum value. Next, for the function y equals to x squared minus 4x plus 7. So we are given the function. I'm going to write down the function, which is y equals to x squared minus 4x plus 7. Next, hence, find the equation of the axis of symmetry. Equation of axis of symmetry. Equation, axis of symmetry. I'm also going to collect this, which is, they are asking equation of axis of symmetry. I'm writing this in a short form. Okay, that's it. So we are now given a function and they're asking maximum or minimum value and the equation of axis of symmetry. In the previous lesson of the nodes, we have learned that the maximum minimum value same as the y coordinate. Same as the y coordinate, and the equation of axis of symmetry same as the x coordinate. And this y coordinate and x coordinate of what? Of the maximum or minimum point. So now, maximum minimum value same as the y coordinate, equation of symmetry same as x coordinate, and the y coordinate, x coordinate of the maximum minimum point. And we also have learned that this maximum minimum point, the coordinate of maximum minimum point, we will get from the quadratic function in the form complete the square. In the form complete the square. So now we will take the given quadratic function, which was y equals to x squared minus 4x plus 7. We will take this equation, which was given to us here, y equals to x squared minus 4x plus 7, and then we take the equation, we are going to complete the square, which I have done in the previous lesson. Now I'm going to complete the square. Y, you put back y. X squared, you put x. Minus, you put minus. And the number in front of x divide by 2. So this 4, if I divide by 2, of course, I'm going to get 2. The number in front of x divide by 2, which is 2. So I put back the 2 close the bracket square, and then minus, whether inside plus or minus, outside always minus. Minus what? Minus the 2 square. Put in brackets, minus the 2 square. And finally, the last number 7, put back. Last number 7, put back. So I'm going to simplify this. This would be y equals to, copy back, x minus 2 square minus 2 square, that is minus 4 plus 7, copy back. So finally I have y equals to x minus 2 square minus 4 plus 7, that would be plus 3. We have got our complete the square. We have got our complete the square. And in this complete the square, on the previous lesson I said, in this complete the square, in the previous lesson I said that the number outside the brackets, this number outside the brackets, that is the y coordinate. So y coordinate is 3. And that y coordinate same as the minimum maximum value. Whether it is minimum or maximum, you look at the x square here. This x square, if you notice, it is positive. Because the x square is positive, the graph is U-shaped and it will have a minimum point. So we are doing question for x positive, minimum point. Therefore, this y is the minimum value, which is 3. We got our first answer. Our first answer. Remember, in complete the square, the number outside is the y coordinate. But this y coordinate same as maximum or minimum value. To find out, go to the x square. It is positive, graph U-shape, minimum point, therefore minimum value. Okay. Now to get the x coordinate, go inside the brackets, which is this, x minus 2, make it 0. X minus 2 equals, make it 0, and you will get your x coordinate. You will get your x coordinate. If you remember, just now I said, the x coordinate is the equation of axis of symmetry. So now, the equation of axis of symmetry is equals to 2. Our second answer. So for this question, where they asked us, find maximum minimum value, find equation of axis of symmetry, we got minimum value is 3, equation of axis of symmetry is 2. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you. I'll see you on the next lesson.